So that indicator was off when we came here.
Yeah.
Interesting, they've got a sleep on. These are modernised.
They go up.
Okay, look at this though. It's got an express U key. So 4. Yep. That acceleration.
Yeah.
Original logic.
Yeah. And some doors.
Yeah. Looks like the clean. I remember the original lifts here. The original lifts here were, I think, express, modernised by Schindler. There's a Quest Hotel here now.
Doors closing.
Never heard that voice before. No way, it's all unlocked. Linear 300 in black. I'm recording this on my phone because I haven't got my big camera with me today.
Floor 8. Doors opening.
Back to 1.
Doors closing.
I'm amazed. I saw the card reader here and was absolutely expecting the floors to mostly be locked off, but no, completely open.
Floor 1.
Yeah, have a read of that.
Doors opening.
Pause the video if you want to read that. Now I'm going to go with 5500 because according to Schindler's website, the Schindler 5000 hasn't been launched in New Zealand yet. Will be soon, but hasn't been just yet. So I'm going to go with my hunch and say that these are 5500. But there we go. That's it.